Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Facebook ad account error delivery. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, when you go to your campaigns here and one of your campaigns actually has the error that says error delivery, which is something really annoying, especially if you're trying to manage your account here. So how do you actually fix that? Well, the thing here is the problem with the error delivery here is most likely because of your payment methods that you have on your account. Now the left panel here, go to your up panel and you want to go to billing and payments here. So let's go and open up this in a new tab here. And in here, what we need to do is we need to look for transactions that actually are in the either failed or the processing stage. Now, most likely, if you see one of your transaction here is actually in pending or failed, then most likely that is the cause why you are having issues on your Facebook ad account or the error delivery here in this case. Now, in this case, how do you fix that? Well, the direct way for you to fix this is to basically fix that payment. Now, for example, if you're using like a credit card, most likely it's taking a bit of time for Facebook to basically tag that specific transaction is already paid for. So if it's in processing, then most likely you just need to wait for a few hours or a few days before it's actually tagged as paid. But in some cases, if still taking a lot of time, usually if you have enough funds in your prepaid balance here, typically you can just click on pay now and you could basically restart the whole payment process. So in this case, if your card is not being accepted or it's taking a lot of time, it is suggested that you use a different card or a different account for the payment itself so that you'll be able to fix the problem itself. Now, also, if you're still having problems, it is recommended that you reach out to support for you to fix this one. So now the left panel here, go to help, and that should open up a panel on the right side here. And some users, if you're eligible, they have an option here that says contact support. But if you don't have the contact support here, you just click on report a problem here and just basically report that you're having problems on your credit or your payments here, and you're requesting assistance on actually fixing this issue. But yeah, so the direct answer to fixing this error here is to basically fix your payment methods here and check your payment activity. So choose a different card if you're using an invalid card. Make sure your card is still valid or is within the expiration date. So if it's not expired, try using it again. But if it's expired, try using a different one. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.